How to add business location on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. First of all, in order for us to add a business location on Instagram, we need to have a business account. So let's go ahead and do that if you have not yet done that. So go ahead and open up Instagram and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And here you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And once you are on this page right here, you need to scroll down and click on the account type and tools from the section that says for professionals. And here from the account type section, click on switch to professional account. And let's skip this. Instagram here is telling you about the professional account. You can go and read that. Now once you are on this page right here, you need to select your category. I'm just going to choose a random one. You can choose whether or not you want this to be displayed on your profile. And here on this page, select business account, then click next. And on this page right here, this is where we will be entering our business location. As you can see, it says the first section, public business information. Click on business address, and here you'll be able to add your address starting from the street address. So I'm just going to choose to enter random ones for the sake of this video. You can choose city or town. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can enter your zip code. So go ahead and enter that. And as you can see, Instagram tells you to please add a valid address so people can navigate to your location in Maps. So let's click on save at the bottom to save the changes. And here you will see an option that says display contact info. So it will be off, just turn it on so that the business address will show up on your profile. So as you can see here, Instagram tells you what this function do, and it says that you can display or hide the contact info anytime. So let's click on next, and here you can either connect or don't to your Facebook page. I'm just going to skip this, and that's it. Your profile, your business profile has been set. As you can see here, you can complete the steps to really as you can see, it tells you to set up your professional account, so you can go through that. I'm just going to skip these steps. And as you can see right here on my profile, we have the business address. It's under my bio, so people can click it and it will redirect them to the maps, Google Maps, where they will be able to find your business location. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a business location on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.